Business, Economy and Banking Current Affairs MCQs for UPSC, SSC, Banking and State Exams. 1. Which institution has launched the Financial Fraud Risk Indicator, Friday? A. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. B. National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI. C. Department of Telecommunications Digital Intelligence Unit, .du. D. Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, I4C. Correct answer, C. Department of Telecommunications Digital Intelligence Unit, .du. 2. Which state has become the third state in India to cross 1 crore registered investors, as per National Stock Exchange, NSE, data? A. Rajasthan. B. Haryana. C. Gujarat. D. Punjab. Correct answer, C. Gujarat. 3. What is India's rank in global biofuel consumption as of 2024, as per the Statistical Review of World Energy Report 2025? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Correct answer, A. D. Fourth. 4. Which country has become 21st member to adopt euro as its official currency? A. Hungary. B. Poland. C. Sweden. D. Bulgaria. Correct answer, A. D. Bulgaria. 5. The eCubear portal is the core banking solution, CBS, of which institution? A. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. B. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. C. Export-Import Bank of India, Exim Bank. D. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. Correct answer, A. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. 6. What is a catastrophe bond that was recently seen in news? A. A loan taken by disaster-prone countries from the IMF. B. A type of insurance for small businesses. C. A financial instrument that transfers disaster risk to investors. D. None of the above. Correct answer, C. A financial instrument that transfers disaster risk to investors. 7. Dholera Special Investment Region, Sir, India's first greenfield smart industrial city, is located in which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Kerala. Correct answer, B. Gujarat. 8. Where is the headquarters of International Financial Services Centres Authority, IFCSCA, located? A. Mumbai. B. New Delhi. C. Hyderabad. D. Gandhinagar. Correct answer, D. Gandhinagar. Correct answer, D. Gandhinagar. 9. Which state has emerged as the top producer of processed potatoes in 2024 to 2025? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Karnataka. C. Gujarat. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, C. Gujarat. 10. Which institution has launched the Venture Capital Fund, VCF, Settlement Scheme 2025? A. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. B. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. C. Niti Aayog. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, A. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. 11. The check truncation system, CTS, in India was introduced by which institution? A. State Bank of India. B. National Payments Corporation of India. C. Reserve Bank of India. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, C. Reserve Bank of India. 12. Which institution has launched framework for responsible and ethical enablement of artificial intelligence, free AI, in the financial sector? A. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. B. State Bank of India, SBI. C. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, A. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. 13. Which bank has become the first public sector bank in India to migrate its corporate website to the secure.bank.in domain? A. Bank of Baroda. B. Bank of Maharashtra. C. Canara Bank. D. Punjab National Bank. Correct answer, D. Punjab National Bank. 14. Which ministry removed the 11% import duty on cotton till 30th September 2025? A. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. B. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. C. Ministry of Finance. D. Ministry of Textiles. Correct answer, C. Ministry of Finance. 15. Where has the State Bank of India, SBI, set up its Centre of Excellence, COE, for MSMEs? A. Mumbai. B. Gurugram. C. New Delhi. D. Bangalore. Correct answer, B. Gurugram. 16. Which two entities jointly launched India's first EMI-driven credit card? A. State Bank of India and Paytm. B. HDFC Bank and PhonePe. C. Unity Small Finance Bank, Unity Bank, and BharatPe. D. ICICI Bank and Google Pay. Correct answer, C. Unity Small Finance Bank, Unity Bank, and BharatPe. 17. What is the name of the unified digital insurance marketplace launched by IRDAI in September 2025? A. Bima Bharat Portal. B. Suraksha Setu Portal. C. Jeevan Mitra Portal. D. Bima Sugam Portal. Correct answer, D. Bima Sugam Portal. 18. Who is the first ever representative from EPFO to be selected for the Public Financial Asset Management PFAM program 2025 to 26? A. Vivekanand Gupta. B. Abhishek Saxena. C. Sanjay Bansal. D. Ravi Malhotra. Correct answer, A. Vivekanand Gupta. 19. Which ministry department developed the Industrial Park Rating System IPRS 3.0 initiative? A. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, BIT. B. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME. C. Department of Commerce, DOC. D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer, A. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, BIT. 20. What is the primary objective of LEADS 2025? A. Evaluate agricultural productivity across states. B. Benchmark logistics performance across states and union territories. C. Promote digital payments in logistics. D. Develop new industrial corridors. Correct answer, B. Benchmark logistics performance across states and union territories. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.